Okay, right. So it's on now. All right. So once we unplug the remote monitoring, once we unplug that unplug the device. Let's unplug the device. Yeah, let's see it go off. Okay, so let's see how many seconds. 10 seconds. Okay. Okay, shut down now. 10 seconds after. Okay, hold on. Don't put it back in. Don't put it back in. No, wait. Just wait. Okay, it's all off now. Okay, put it back in. Okay. How many seconds to come on? Okay, about 10 seconds. Jack, disconnect it again. Just pull it out. Pull the device out. Yeah, pull the device out. I want it to go off again. Yeah, cool. Okay. Okay, step back. So it's gonna shut down in about 10 seconds. Okay, it's gone off. Okay, put it back in. Okay. There we go. Okay, so it's like 10 seconds.